Welcome everyone, this is Robbie Allen with Credit Restoration of Texas, and we're in part 3 of the 5 fastest ways to raise your credit score. Just a quick, little bit of quick information about us. We are, local here, San Antonio company, registered, bonded. Been doing this for 8 years, thousands served, A+ rating through Better Business Bureau. Call us anytime for a free credit analysis. There's our number, 210-248-9061, or you can shoot us an email. So we're going to touch base on the last couple of videos that we have just done. Part 1 was paying down balances, how it's really important to keep your balances down low. You could have a perfect credit rating as far as you've never been a day late on anything, but if you're maxed out on your credit cards, you could have a really low score. Number 2, this one is really fantastic, and you get really quick results. It's called a pay for delete, how to call up your creditors and collectors and get them to delete negative things off of your credit. So you can go back to that video number 2. So video number 3 here, this is how to add credit to your credit report and get points. So it's important to have what's called a robust credit profile. FICO likes to see that you know how to use credit. It's just not enough just to have less bad things on there. You also got to have a good history, So one of the fastest ways to do this is to have yourself added to a friend or family member's credit card. This can be very powerful and add points very quickly to your score. And if you have a close friend or family member that has really good credit and a credit card that has a high limit, $1,000 or more, more is better. I mean, if it's $5,000, $10,000, $20,000, and they carry a very low balance, that 19% or less, that's a great card. So ask them, if they can add you to their card as an authorized user. Now, authorized user is good, but if you can be added as a joint account holder, that's even better. As a joint account holder, it's going to post that that's your card as well. As an authorized user, it's going to post that yes, it's on your credit report, but you are the authorized user on it. But in a lot of circumstances, it's still going to help. And all your friend or family member is going to do is they're just going to call the creditor, which would be the credit card company, and request that you be added as an authorized user. You give them your personal information, and that's it. Your friend or family member, they have the additional card mailed to them, to their address. They keep the card. You have no access to it, but you do get the benefit of that great credit history. So as I was saying, one card reporting is good, but if you have like 3 to 5 cards, that's optimal, especially revolving cards. And since they're keeping the balance down really low on them, that's going to help your credit score. But I do get a lot of folks to say, you know what, I don't have any friends or family member that that are willing to do that. So we have, there's more than one way to add credit to your credit report. We've teamed up with with several companies actually that offer all types of products, computers, electronics, and they will give you a line of credit of $1,100, a minimum $1,100 up to $6,500, and it's 99% guaranteed that you're going to get approved even if you have really horrible credit. And they post to your credit within 5 to 7 days, and it's a phenomenal way to get you started, because once creditors see that you have a good established line of credit on there, that gives you big points, and then you can go and get more credit, for vehicles and other things that you need for you and your family. So if you're interested in knowing how to get that guaranteed revolving line of credit, give us a call. We'll be happy to talk to you. Our number is 210-248-9061. That's 210-248-9061. Once again, this is Credit Restoration of Texas, and y'all have a great day.